The door now is 'cause I've gone home and soon we will too. Again, I'm falling for you.
Good morning. It is
7:45.
Oh yeah. Oh no, it's 7. JK, my phone's wrong. We're at the train station. We're waiting for trains. How do you feel, man? You're looking quite good this morning.
Nice and peppy.
Up and at 'em.
Shut up.
So you wrap your arms round mine, and I can't fight the feeling that builds up inside. It's just so hard to resist that taste of your kiss. That's when they're begging for more, and you just won't listen when I tell you I'm kissing someone else.
Lots of energy.
Welcome.
Like with your hands.
Welcome to Malaga.
Like this, with your hands.
Welcome to Malaga.
No more energy.
I can't.
Say welcome. Give me a song.
I don't have a Spanish song for welcome to Malaga.
Hello from Malaga. We are in the rental car.
Just have to go like way forward. So.
And we're nice and tight in here, and we're making our way to our place now.
Dad, careful of the mirror on the pillow.
How are you doing, Han?
We're getting food before we get to the place. Do you want?
Han's getting a little hangry.
No.
We need to. We're working on the situation, right, Han? Am I right?
No comment.
No. Okay, we're shopping now. We all got a little bit of food in ourselves, and moods are starting to lighten, which is good. We've kind of checked in, we're just getting some food, and then we're going back and then hit the beach. We have arrived. So our place is like halfway between Marbella and what do you call it? Malaga. We're just on the water, and so now we're gonna go for a swim and go check out the ocean.
Just telling me that part of your favorite purchase, and then I won't stay the night, but take a sword in my pride. You know it ain't right. It's just so hard to resist that taste of your kiss. That's when they're begging for more.
Pretty low-key day. Mostly traveling, but Will and I are now going out to play some Pokemon Go. You know, today was a pretty traumatic day because of the servers going down.
Yeah.
But we've made it through, and there's some new Pokemon types indigenous to this region of Spain, so we're pretty pumped on those. What's the main one?
The Magnemite.
Yeah. Magnemite. We've already got
type.
some Magnemite and electric type Pokemon.
And Red just took over the gym.
Yeah, so we're gonna go recapture all of the gyms and pick up a pizza at the same time.
Yeah.
You just won't listen when I tell you I'm kissing someone else.
Okay, Pokemon servers are still going down. We ended up with this. Yeah.